How good is your Spanish? Test yourself with this challenge of 100 basic words that will help you learn and improve your Spanish. How many can you get right? Write your score in the comments. Let's begin. How do you say woman?
Mujer.
How do you say window?
Ventana.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say market?
Mercado.
How do you say shoes?
Zapatos.
How do you say clock?
Reloj.
How do you say hospital?
Hospital.
How do you say run?
Correr.
How do you say happy?
Feliz.
How do you say bye?
Comprar.
How do you say bottle?
Botella.
How do you say left?
Izquierda.
How do you say jacket?
Chaqueta.
How do you say park?
Parque.
How do you say open?
Abrir.
How do you say glass?
Vaso.
How do you say friend?
Amigo.
How do you say listen?
Escuchar.
How do you say bag?
Bolsa.
How do you say sad?
Triste.
How do you say garden?
Jardín.
How do you say right?
Escribir.
How do you say ring?
Anillo.
How do you say early?
Temprano.
How do you say belt?
Cinturón.
How do you say orange?
naranja,
How do you say brother?
hermano,
How do you say cloud?
nube,
How do you say banana?
banana,
How do you say cook?
cocinar,
How do you say apple?
manzana,
How do you say light?
luz,
How do you say farm?
granja,
How do you say hat?
sombrero,
How do you say bus?
autobús,
How do you say teacher?
maestro,
How do you say store?
tienda,
How do you say soap?
jabón,
How do you say mirror?
espejo,
How do you say pillow?
almohada,
How do you say blanket?
cobija,
How do you say wall?
pared,
How do you say ceiling?
techo,
How do you say police?
policía,
How do you say wait?
esperar,
How do you say world?
mundo,
How do you say story?
historia,
How do you say truth?
verdad,
How do you say wish?
deseo,
How do you say hope?
esperanza,
How do you say dream?
sueño,
How do you say goal?
meta,
How do you say plan?
Plan.
How do you say idea?
Idea.
How do you say answer?
Respuesta.
How do you say question?
Pregunta.
How do you say noise?
Ruido.
How do you say voice?
Voz.
How do you say sound?
Sonido.
How do you say cloth?
Tela.
How do you say thread?
Hilo.
How do you say rope?
Cuerda.
How do you say lace?
Cordón.
How do you say button?
Botón.
How do you say charger?
Cargador.
How do you say battery?
Batería.
How do you say lamp?
Lámpara.
How do you say curtain?
Cortina.
How do you say floor?
Piso.
How do you say stairs?
Escalera.
How do you say lock?
Candado.
How do you say bicycle?
Bicicleta.
How do you say candle?
Vela.
How do you say bridge?
Puente.
How do you say truck?
Camión.
How do you say motorcycle?
Motocicleta.
How do you say map?
Mapa.
How do you say flag?
Bandera.
How do you say camera?
Cámara.
How do you say mango?
mango,
How do you say lemon?
limón,
How do you say strawberry?
fresa,
How do you say grapes?
uvas,
How do you say cherry?
cereza,
How do you say box?
caja,
How do you say gate?
portón,
How do you say notebook?
cuaderno,
How do you say eraser?
borrador,
How do you say ruler?
regla,
How do you say backpack?
mochila,
How do you say suitcase?
maleta,
How do you say umbrella?
paraguas,
How do you say boots?
botas,
How do you say sandals?
sandalias,
How do you say wallet?
billetera,
How do you say ticket?
boleto,
How do you say card?
tarjeta,
How do you say boat?
bote,
How do you say helicopter?
helicóptero,
How do you say desert?
desierto.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.